For sophisticated borrowers in 2026, the interest-only mortgage has become a powerful strategy for maximizing monthly cash flow and investment capital. Unlike a traditional loan, this program allows you to pay only the interest charge for an initial period, usually 10 years, resulting in a significantly lower monthly bill. This is an ideal tool for investors who want to maximize the yield on their rental properties by keeping their overhead as low as possible. It is also a great option for high-income professionals with large annual bonuses who prefer to pay down their principal in lump sums rather than monthly increments. However, you must be aware that because you aren't paying down the principal, your loan balance will stay the same unless the home appreciates in value. The qualification requirements for these loans are much stricter in today's market, often requiring higher credit scores and significant cash reserves. You must have a clear exit strategy, such as selling the property or refinancing before the interest-only period expires and the full principal payments kick in. As your broker can help you determine if this advanced financing tool aligns with your specific wealth-building goals for the next decade.